God. It's already loading. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! Wait for the graphics card. Oh! 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 Oh my god. Oh my god, I need some upgrades. I need some upgrades real bad. At least the temperature's staying down. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. 7 FPS. 7. So I should be getting a new computer by December. I'm putting a RTX, it's an MSI RTX 2080 Ti. One of those, total of 32 gigs of RAM, a Ryzen Threadripper. I forget what the entire thing is, but all of the information on it is down below. I'm not sure what the motherboard is, but I know it's a, I don't know. And I just overclocked my PC way too much. Great. Okay, so. $3,185. And yes, you're gonna comment, you're missing the core for the CPU. Well, I know I am. And I'm not gonna use a stock cooler. Let me go onto Amazon to show you. Guy. It's an RGB premium air cooled. I know it's not gonna be this, it's going to be very similar. So keep that in mind. And we have also another thing I'm going to be doing is having these, I'm going to put 3 more fans in there. I'm going to be getting Velcro, going to be getting a crap ton of soundproofing, going to be getting a mic that is here, all this. These are low quality images, it's not my phone. And then this pretty cool desk I found for pretty cheap, which was okay for me. I didn't really need much. And then I have this 1080p monitor. I'm probably gonna switch to a 4K one. And then I have this 6-foot HDMI cable. And then, yeah, so this was just more of a older type of thing. There's that. I was going to switch to a 1080 Ti. Oh, so then that's gonna add another 200, I don't know, something odd. Here, why don't we search on the website where this is from? So we're gonna go to, let's go down to monitors. Micro Center, shout out to them. They helped me. They have this certain PC place where you can, build your own. So they have like aisles of graphics cards, CPUs. They just to point out, they're kind of a rare store to come across, but since I live in Kansas City, it's, you know, more of the more money place. But they have one right on the main road. Yeah, but what monitor do you think I should get, guys? I'm trying to see about 4K. There's not really many filters, but most of them are 4K nowadays, right? I mean, I figure they are. Here, let's look. I might just stick with the 1080p, you know, the 1080p right here. Maybe something different. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching.